Alright, welcome back. I don't know what part this is. I've only got about 5 minutes to a video space. I'll try to make this short. These were the balance wheels with the hairsprings that were messed up. I managed to straighten up this one right here, put it back in plane. This is what a brand new hairspring looks like. It's never been installed. And I think this is the correct one for this clock. You see it has a rectangular impulse pin. So I'm going to install that balance wheel in here. And we're going to see it out of focus too. No. We're going to fix that. It's going to be in focus. Okay, we are out of the regulator, and you see how far off it is now. Okay, get that out of the way. To bring this around like this. I like how I'm not finding the it's usually not this difficult. I think it's because I don't have a very good feel for it using the tweezers versus using it by hand. I can feel where the cup is. Okay. Alright, this is interesting. I am just rotating things around to get it lined up. But you see, it's without me prodding, it's gone right into the regulator. And that little offset there is the pinning point where it should be pinned into the stud. Okay. We don't want to grab a hold of it and pull it to the stud, but I just did. You See how that goes on there like that. Okay, I'm going to put the pin in. If I can pick it up. Alright, let's wind it up and see how it runs. Before we do that, though, see with the new hairspring, it does shift the beat just a little bit. There we go. See, it's out of beat just a little bit there. I'll have to, it looks like it's pinned in the right spot, though. It's pinned right at the offset. So might have to adjust the collet a little bit to get it in beat correctly. Interesting. See how out of beat it is? I'll have to experiment with this a little bit more, and I'll publish the results. see what I can figure out why it's not right. You know, I've got these other hairsprings too that are totally undamaged. I might try one of them. This is, see, it's got the flat impulse pin, and that would go in this movement here also. You can see that's making a very nice. In that balance wheel needs clean too. It had all that dust on there, and you know, shelf wear, shelf dirt. This one needs to be adjusted to be flat again too, like I did on this one, and it would be also usable. I got that one adjusted pretty flat. Not perfect. It could definitely be better, but that is still very annoying that it's not quite in beat if you pin it where the little kink is, where it's supposed to be pinned, and two, that it's wanting to bind up. And these springs are very clean. They don't seem to have any rust on them. The matter requires further investigation, and for the time being, we will just leave it right there, and we'll pick this up when I get some further developments. So this is Oklahoma Bridges, and thank you for watching.